Hello and welcome to another video. This is British Pound Japanese Yen 60-minute chart, and let's see where is our support and where is our resistance today, and can we have a good position this week. Okay, if you look at this Andrews Pitchfork here, you can see this three pivot for ABC. This is ABC pivot for Andrews Pitchfork, and look at this confirmation here. Those are our confirmation. And look at this small Andrews Pitchfork here. If market can break this resistant area, maybe we have a bullish market for next target. But be careful, maybe when market can't break this resistant area, then very strong bearish trend. So if you set your buy stop here, don't forget for stop loss, don't forget money management. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.